Welcome to our Māori language lesson about the parts of a dairy or shop in New Zealand. First, let's learn the Māori word for dairy, which is toa. Toa is also the term for shop or store. Let's now go inside and learn the Māori words for the different parts of the toa. The shop counter is called the taupaipai. Remembering in our gym lesson, it's also the term for reception. The shelves are called whata. Pouaka makariri is our Māori term for fridge, where they keep my delicious drinks. And the freezer is known as a pouaka tio, or literally an icebox. Anyway, let's go back to the taupaipai to get this drink. The word for money is moni, or putea. The cash register is rehita moni. All I need now is the rihiti or receipt for tax purposes. That's it for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us.